season is just around the corner, and with Hotel Champ's new seasonal templates, you can start highlighting your offers very easily and quickly. Let me show you how. Our template library, as you can see on the left-hand side menu, we just added a new holiday section where you can find the relevant templates for Christmas, Thanksgiving, New Year's, and Black Friday, Cyber Monday offers. For Christmas, you can promote your Christmas packages to your guests on arrival by using reference price psychology to increase click-through rates. Or you can use smart notifications, as you can see here in the middle. You can use smart notifications for promoting your holiday season events and gift vouchers. You can utilize vouchers for dining offers, for example afternoon tea, dinner and bubbles, cocktail and dessert to tempt the gift shoppers. Then you can add links to each notification and target visitors based on their date of website visit or dates of stay. You can also promote your Thanksgiving arrangements with any of these templates by using geo-targeting to create an audience for locals based on their city or region. Don't forget to target your dining or restaurant page to highlight your Thanksgiving meal offers. For New Year's, in addition to smart notifications, you can also try creating an upsell offer and increase revenue over New Year's by persuading guests to book a longer stay. Keep in mind to use reference price psychology again to increase the perceived value of the offer. And finally, for the Black Friday and Cyber Monday offers, you can just choose one from the templates with countdown timer, and we have different versions of this for different needs, as an exit tool, as an inline or a mobile Black Friday offer. You can just select any of these, and the best part is they come with the ready-to-use audiences that schedule the interaction to be live on either the whole period or only on the Black Friday or on the Cyber Monday day. And that's it. Very easy, very smooth. I hope this was helpful, and I hope you have a great festive season.